In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PowerPoint slides to portrait. Whether you're prepping a presentation for a digital display or simply prefer the aesthetic, converting your slides to portrait orientation can be a quick and straightforward task. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to PowerPoint for the web. If you're not already signed in, just click on Sign In using your Microsoft account. This step ensures you have access to your saved projects and that any changes you make are successfully saved to the cloud. Once you've signed in, navigate to the PowerPoint homepage. The homepage acts as your main dashboard and will display your previously crafted presentations and any templates or new files you have recently accessed. Next, you need to click on the presentation you wish to edit. It's time to work some magic on your slides. With your presentation now open, focus your attention on the menu at the top. Somewhere along that toolbar, you'll see the Design tab. Click on it, as this tab provides various formatting and layout options that are key to personalizing your presentation. After you've opened the Design tab, look for Slide Size in the Design options. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find a straightforward option labeled Custom Slide Size. This is the feature that lets you alter the dimensions and orientation of your slides. Within the custom slide size settings, you can modify various settings such as slide dimensions. What we're interested in here is changing the orientation. Amongst the options, you'll find one for portrait. Simply click on it to switch from the typical landscape orientation to portrait. This adjustment helps to redefine the structure of your slides, giving them a vertical layout with a more column-like appearance. Be sure after selecting portrait to review your slides to ensure that all the content fits well within the new orientation. And that's it, you've successfully changed your PowerPoint slides to portrait orientation. Now you can proceed with your presentation knowing it will cater better to the format or audience you envision. Remember, this simple change can significantly alter the visual impact of your presentation, making it more fitting for certain professional or artistic contexts. So feel free to tweak and modify as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create more versatile and engaging presentations in the future.